CONVERGE 2.0, which is actually an initiative from Directorate of Higher Education. And what it focuses basically on is bringing industry people to the campus and interacting with students, faculty, so that we have a stronger industry connect. And also how it helps students is, they can ask the queries what is there in their minds with respect to how do they actually enter into the industry, what are the skill sets required by the industry people, what they expect from the student community, or what they expect from the curriculum point of view from the business schools. So this is in gist as in what industry wants from the institutes as well as from students. So this program is a very good initiative from Directorate of Higher Education, Goa Higher Education Council, and has been in operations since last year. This is the second version of it. We also have similar kind of programs of panel discussions for our engineering programs as well, wherein we bring in a lot of industry people to interact with students.
What kind of software you're using? What ERP systems? What are the various aspects you're using on for that particular elective? So each of these electives that you have, backup theory with practical information is just a one-point idea or a one-point solution that I would give from my side to help bridge this gap between industry and academia.
We always have never encouraged a star, but we always like building star teams in the organization. So that is what, so the star who was an outlier was always never kind of rewarded, never promoted, but so which is why I think teamwork, working in larger teams and being self-competitive and self-driven is going to be some of the softer skills which are also needed in finance and banking.
Marketing, sponsorships, okay. There also the soft skills plays a major role, especially in a sports vertical. A sponsorship is all about soft skills. Yes, you know your subject, but how you are presenting your subject and how you are selling. A good technical guy has made a package for you, but unless the guy who is representing your organization to your customers is basically packaging it in a way to appeal that a specific person who is seeing a value in investing in you, it all depends upon the soft skills of that market, that sponsorship rep who is handling this specific role. So again, the crowd movement. There are other areas in the finance side. I may agree that we have lesser soft skill requirement, but still it is good to have, because then you will have your respective data from your respective respective department heads, which you need for your financial analysis to present it to management. Okay, then coming to the social media side, which is one of the biggest side. Again, in social media is one side where I see the guys who are passing out from the BS schools now, they can think of making a huge chunk of money and a real good career in their life if they understand how to package the social skills, how to sell the social skill platform, how to come up with the new aspects in the social in the social media platform. And it is again, the social media is all about your soft skills.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.